Hey guys, it's Cal Pokémon here, back with another legit pack opening. Sorry I was away, decided to have a shower, and now I'm back with another video. So let's get it going. I'm just going to put you down again like the last video to open this first pack. Let's get it. Right now, we've got the first set of cards here. First off, we got Brock's Grit, Professor Oak's Hint, we got Metapod, Rattata, we got a Growlithe right there. I know you like that. Nidoran, got a little Vulpix. Sorry, it's not a Alolan Tom. We got Sandshrew right there. Oh, I can say something. Oh my god. So we got a Pidgeot Spirit Link here, reverse, and then on the end card, we have, oh my god, guys. We've gone and got it. Mega Blastoise EX. Look at that shit. That's some good stuff. Hydro Bombard. 30 damage. Let's get it. Alright now. Now, for the next pack, we have Sun and Moon. Again, I'm going to put you down. Be right back. Might have some good here, boys. And we're back, boys. Let's get this second set of cards out right here. First off, we have Professor Kukai. How the fuck you say that? Energy Switch. Golbat. Young Goose. Latan. Pharaoh. We got a Paris right there. Lillipup. And for the reverse, we have a Parasect. What an ugly motherfucker. Then on the end card, we are going to grab a holo Alolan Muck. As you can see the fade there. Not that bad. At least it's a holo. It's not complete shit. Now on to the next pack. Okay. Alright now. Next set of cards here was a Steam Siege pack. Let's get right into it. We got an Anorith, Persian, Claw Fossil Anorith. There's the trainer card right there. We got a Fungus, a Rufflet, Litleo, Muddle, Ponyta. And then for the reverse, we have another Fungus. Little shroom looking motherfucker. Then on the end, we have a hollow Evital. I already have one of those, so it's fucking shit. That's what that shit is. Fucking shit. What the fuck's that shit? Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.